Who just wake me up? What time is it? My head. My head hurts. What the heck? Okay. Dream journal. Nothing. Your power is out. It's so dark. I have to check on my sister. Gonna close this for a bit. Okay. Oh, it's really locked down. Oh no! I'm on a glitch. Oh, dang it. Okay. Wait, Anay. My sis' rooms always creeps me out. She must be here sleeping. She's not here. Where is he? What? This really creeps me out. Mom, Dad, not response. The door's locked. I have me lever. We just moved in the house yesterday. This house has become worse. I should go to the kitchen first to drink. The lever is in the storage room. You stares at fire. Our old house was burned, so we moved here. I still can't forget it. It's not their fault. I still don't understand that taste of art. It seems locked. Something is blocking the way. Kitchen. What? I must be. I should drink something. There should be water in the fridge. I don't remember this door. It's locked. Whoa, that's creepy. Okay. What's this room? Storage. Better use the lever. Okay, I got this one. Okay, must block that there. Got more. Can you guys hear me? So sorry about this, that I blocked the door. I know it's not part of the rules. I'm just scared. This is a big mansion. I don't know what should I do. Maybe I'll come back here with friends. Bye guys.